fighting right over my head like that.
And you're talking about like basketball player Ja Morant.
Basketball player.
Okay, like Memphis Grizzlies Ja Morant.
Grizzlies Ja Morant, yeah.
So grown man just hit you in the face.
Yeah.
And his grown friend.
Yeah. They jumped me.
Why?
I think because we was talking, his dad, he didn't want him to take a lightly on him. It was like, just because that's him, don't take a lightly on him. So, you know, we playing competitive, talking trash to each other as basketball players too. So we check up the ball. So say you like this, or we can use so I sit the ball down right here.
Yeah.
Check up, you got to get it. He kicked the ball in my leg. The ball go all the way over here. Somebody hit the ball, okay, I'm like this. Check up. And I throw it to his, no, just stand right there. I throw it to his leg like that.
All right.
Then he picked up the ball. And threw it hard as he can.
Straight at you.
Straight at him. Caught it. Threw it right back at him.
Yeah.
Then put the ball down. Came up like this on me. He was like, should I hit him? So I was like, hit me then. So bam, he hit me. He went back. So I'm like this. I tried to swing. No. Then his friend come over there, hit me, fell on the ground, and they just started jumping me. And
like while you were laying on the ground, they were still hitting you?
Yeah, they were still hitting me.
Okay.
Like the next 20 seconds. Just still.
And you just get up and leave?
Yeah, I was, everybody was holding me back.
He's got a big old goose egg on the back of his head. Like, we're about to go have to arrest Ja Morant.
Like a month and a half, and now I think he's quite.
What's up, buddy? This dude got dropped by Ja Morant. So.
Yeah,
He got dropped by Ja Morant.
Yeah, he got beat the shit out of by Ja Morant at his house. Like the Memphis Grizzlies player.
Yeah, I know who Ja Morant is.
Yeah, so
that guy. When?
like an hour and a half ago, something like
Where
that.
the is Ja Morant?
He lives in Eads.
I know that. I mean, where is he right now?
Probably at his house.
So the fight happened here?
No, it happened at Ja Morant's house. He was over there playing
He got in
basketball
a fight
with
with
him.
Ja Morant.
Oh, really?
Like the basketball player.
Really?
Yeah.
Huh. Well, that's gonna be a 17-year-old.
Yeah.
He was over there playing basketball apparently. And
22. But man, what happened?
They were over there playing ball and talking trash, you know, like that. And Ja Morant decided he wanted to square up with him.